Hello everyone. So this is the development of the duodenum and the liver model. Coming to the development of the duodenum, duodenum develops from two sources. The proximal half is derived from the foregut and the distal half is derived from the midgut. First and second part of the duodenum up to the opening of the common bile duct develops from the foregut. Second part of the duodenum below the opening of the common bile duct, which third and fourth part of the duodenum develop from the midgut. So this is the development of the duodenum. Coming to the development of the liver, during third week of the development, the liver develops from endodermal hepatic bud that arises from the ventral aspect of the distal part of the foregut at its junction with the midgut. The hepatic bud grows into the ventral mesogastrium and through it into the septum transversum. The bud soon divides into two parts, large cranial part called pars hepatica and a small caudal part called pars cystica. Pars hepatica develops to form the liver, pars cystica develops to form gallbladder and the cystic duct. As the right and left portions of the pars hepatica enlarge, they extend into the septum transversum. The cells arising from these form the hepatic cords. In this process, the vitelline and the umbilical veins within the septum transversum gets absorbed and broken to form the liver sinusoids. Septum transversum forms connective tissue stroma of the liver, including the Glissen's capsule, the peritoneal covering of the liver, Kupffer cells, and the blood vessels of the liver. Gallbladder and the cystic duct develop from the pars cystica. The bifid pars hepatica forms right and the left hepatic duct, common hepatic duct. The part of the hepatic bud proximal to the pars cystica forms the common bile duct. So this is the development of liver and the gallbladder.